Acoustic pulses holding steady at 40 Hertz.
Vitals are green, ready for transfer.
Gantry aligned, commencing lift in 3.
Patch 3B secure.
The specimen has reached peak lipid accumulation. Confirmed. Proceeding with harvest parameters.
Cleaning cycle initiated. Pressure holding steady at 500 psi.
Acknowledged. Seal check on containment unit.
Flow rate stabilizing at 95% efficiency.
Good. Seal the hoppers and initiate pressurization.
The structural biomass of the Yurlunggur is now secured.
Pressure's dropping on the Yurlunggur line.
I see it. Reroute to auxiliary tank immediately.
The flow rate is stabilizing at 500 barrels an hour. Noted.
The clarification is proceeding as expected.
At the purity check station, automated instruments perform real-time optical analysis. The laser confirms the oil is crystal clear before final certification.
The automated system completes palletization of Aussie Ancient Oil. With the RFI entries
Flow rate is stable at 500 liters per hour.
membrane integrity holding steady. We are good for the next phase.
In the heart of process B, the collagen solution is atomized at the top of the tower, instantly transforming into fine white powder.
The marine biocollagen powder is gently fed through a series of ultrasonic sieves, ensuring
Blending time approaching the limit. Consistency looks uniform.
Confirmed. Proceed to packaging sequence.
This is the final packaged product, the Yurlunggur marine biocollagen powder, ready for distribution. With the latest shipment of Yurlunggur marine biocollagen powder, the global supply chain ensures rapid distribution from our automated facility.
The Yurlunggur marine biocollagen has transformed my health. My skin is radiant and I have much better joint mobility now.
We've added the Yurlunggur-derived peptides. They are highly effective for internal benefits, specifically targeting skin elasticity and deep hydration.
Our specialized nitrogen-flushed packaging ensures freshness. And by storing the collagen in a cool, dry environment,
The culmination of advanced bioextraction. Yurlunggur marine biocollagen powder. The finalized.
as the sunset sets on the Yurlunggur facility, the cycle begins anew. Automated probes continuously monitor the massive saltwater tanks, ensuring optimal conditions for the Yurlunggur specimens.
Monitoring the raw material growth of the juvenile specimen, the overlaid data confirms the long-term planning inherent in our biological resource management.
Hidden on this remote stall, boon on this resurrection, Yurlunggur step.
You have to try this. The Yurlunggur Marine Biocollagen Powder has completely transformed my routine and my skin.
Derived the ancient